stop at all. It'd be sure.
So, the Calico Logging Company log ride.
Yeah, which way do we go? Let's go towards the thing.
This way? There's no one. It's weird because we're used to Disneyland. They have a person there like guiding you. We have no idea where these lines go. Oh, well. Entrance. Oh, Timber Mountain Log Ride. That's what it's called. Yeah.
How much they charge for water?
I don't know. Actually, I'll have a... Do we have some water? I might have a drink. This is cool. The back side of water.
The back side of water?
Your favorite. All right, here's the water back.
Oh, that's the green we just got on. Maybe it'll get up.
I have no idea how wet we get on this ride. This is fast. One of what?
Where the track's not quality or something like that.
No. have a water for camping out there, though. That's pretty cool. There they go.
It's about what, like half a day?
Yeah. Yeah. So that was, oh, it's kind of wet. Maybe I should dry that off.
Excuse my belly. So
That dark part in the middle was kind of scary. I
Yeah,
had no idea what was going
I
on.
want to go back this way.
Oh, okay.
Wait, want to get on the accelerator? Yeah, or you want to kind of go out a bit?
I want to, is that one?
Yeah. It's that one. That's right.
I don't know if I can do that.
At all?
But you should go on it.
Hello. We're going to get on Coast Rider. Yeah? Should I video all this, baby? Ready?
I'm ready.
Take on Coast Rider. That's a Boomerang. They closed that down for good.
Inside the car at all times.
So we think this is like Snoopy Sky School, right? So hold on to the Goofy Sky School. What did I say? Snoopy. Oh, there's a road. Oh, there's parts of Boomerang. Oh, look at the fire. Whoa! Whoa! That was fun. This is. Oh, there's a. What's that called?
Scrambler thing?
Scrambler, Pacific Scrambler.
Woo!
Yay!
The green one is open. Oh,
Yeah, this isn't nearly as scary as Goofy's. Oh, I shouldn't have spoke so soon.
sorry. Building going down over there. You see that?
Yeah. You didn't hear me say it earlier? Those purple trees, man, they're beautiful. Whoa! Whoa! Here, you want to do that one? Whoa! That first drop was real good.
Yeah.
We could put this in our backyard. It's a, I think, a chain underneath.
I kept thinking like
Yeah, I thought that too at
chains
first.
were falling on the track and then it's gonna throw us off.
Oh, what'd you think, babe?
That was fun.
Yeah, pretty gentle. The first drop is bigger than Goofy's, but the turns are not nearly as sharp as Goofy's. Yeah. All right. See you later. Out here. We're gonna do the Pacific Scrambler at Knott's Berry Farm. You ready, baby?
Yeah.
When's the last time you did this ride?
Oh, at our county fair like years ago.
Here's Jonathan.
Hello. You ready?
Yeah, bud.
Used to go on it at our county fair every
What's the
year.
name of your
Welcome to the
Wow.
Pacific Scrambler. Please remember to sit up straight and keep your arms and legs inside of the car at all times.
No
Thank you,
slouching.
and enjoy your ride.
Oh man, it's been a long time.
I'm gonna do my face the whole time.
Do you want me to?
No.
What do you want me? What should I aim at? Just the head?
I guess a little bit of both.
Whoa! Yeah. Whoa! This brings back memories.
You get to be squishy.
Oh, you're squishing me. She's squishy. She's squishing me. Help! Help me! Somebody help me! I feel like this thing's gonna break. There's Jonathan. Whoa! Jonathan! She's squishing me, everybody! Help me! My ribs are just getting crushed. Stop sliding! That's long enough.
Water down in there.
Where? In my belly?
Here.
Oh, yeah, it looks like it. Okay, how you doing? Oh, yeah. I feel like I'm about to break the side of this thing. I can feel it flexing.
The ride comes to a complete stop. Please watch your step.
Oh, Pacific Scrambler.
Thank you for
You're
riding
rough.
the Pacific Scrambler.
Oh, my eyes are
Enjoy
blurry.
the rest of your stay here at Knott's Berry Farm.
My face hurts. I'm smiling.
My face, my
Alright,
chest.
wait for the ride to go to a complete stop. I'll be
I'm
going
gonna
around
throw
shortly
up.
to assist you off the ride one by one.
Alright, that was fun. See ya. Alright. We're gonna do Voyage of the Iron Reef. Got that, baby?
Yeah, so this one we think it's like, I know it's indoor. I
Yeah.
think it's interactive, so we probably won't get very full.
Yeah.
Want to, because
We're gonna be shooting up thumbs, I think. That's what we think. But we'll do a little bit of the walk.
storyline.
Back out and back down some steps. No more steps. Oh, a line. Whoa, first line of the day. But not much of one. That's cool. There's the Charles M. Schultz Theater. Look at that. It's a big old theater there. There's the bumper cars about down there. Right there. Yeah.
Standing up.
So I'm gonna give this to you, right? Okay. We're gonna ride it, we're gonna shoot stuff up, we'll talk about them later. I hope my face isn't really close up.
So, your thoughts?
Oh man, I thought that was better than I was expecting for sure. The 3D was probably the best gaming 3D I've seen.
Yeah.
I was telling Ida that there was one part where I literally was reacting thinking the bubbles were these bubbles when you're underwater were hitting your face.
Yeah.
So it was really cool. I enjoyed it a lot.
It was fun. Definitely better than I expected. I got a little dizzy in there even because the 3D was like so much, like the immersion, is that the right word?
Yeah.
Into it, like just kind of like messed with my eyeballs a little bit, but
Yeah,
it was good.
Yeah, it's like one depth plane for a little bit, and then they take it and it expands around a little bit, and that's where you get a little bit.
Yeah,
it's pretty
definitely.
intense.
But,
Thumbs up.
yeah, you shoot at things, and you get points, and yeah, it's fun.
Definitely do it. See ya. All right, Pony Express, here we come.
Pony Express.
Pony Express. I don't think we're gonna be able to record this one because it's a weird little ride seat. Like you sit in a horse. Right there, there's the front of them. But we'll see. I would just keep your purse ready, babe, because I'm gonna have to probably put this in. Oh, here's the ride vehicles. Look.
Okay, so we just got off of the Pony Express.
Yeah, it was really fast, but really fun.
It was fun, something different, like a different kind of feeling of what you're sitting on.
Yeah, you're like sitting up and you're holding a horse and it's got a back restraint that comes up. And yeah, it was cool.
It was fun.
Yeah.
We couldn't tape it. You couldn't take anything on there with us, but yeah, it was fun.
Maybe we could stand here and
Yeah, maybe let's step over here. See if we see one go by. It also like blasts you off really fast at the beginning, which was kind
yeah,
of
we
fun.
could probably see the blast they're getting ready to blast. Are they moving in the blast? Want to go down and see the blast? Oh, here it comes. They come. The other people are sitting forward on the horse. One guy's late.
He's sitting straight up.
Yeah.
That was the only thing. Like next time we ride it, we'll make sure we don't lean too far forward because
Right at the end, when the brakes get
yeah,
put
right
on,
at the end,
it pushes your body forward.
and the restraint behind you
Pushes you in. It was fine
made
for
my
me, but
stomach like I felt really claustrophobic.
yeah, it's a little claustrophobic.
I felt really trapped and like my belly was squished, but it was really fun. I would definitely do that again.
Me too. Oh,
We're trying to make our way to the lockers because I need some sunscreen. It's getting kind of hot.
hey, can we get a small cherry or something?
Oh yeah, ices.
He talked to you?
Howdy, partner. How are you doing?
Okay, how are you?
Okay, my name is Joe. Satellite Joe. J-O-H-N.
Satellite Joe.
Satellite Joe.
Ask him if he knows where to get a sarsaparilla.
Satellite Joe. J-O-H-N. Sure got me locked up and claimed I stole his horse.
You stole his horse?
Well, that's what the sheriff said.
Yeah.
I heard you're innocent, Joe.
I am innocent. Thank you for saying that.
Hey, do you know where to get a cold sarsaparilla?
Probably over in the saloon.
All right. You may bring you one? Will they let you have a drink?
No, they won't let me have anything like that. The sheriff's going to go to In-N-Out Burger pretty soon.
All right, Joe. Well, hang in there. We're fighting for you.
John. His name is John.
Oh, sorry.
No, my name's Joe.
Joe.
J-O-H-N.
Yeah, J-O-H-N.
Okay.
Joe? J-O-H-N. Gotcha.
My name is Satellite Joe. J-O-H-N.
See you, Joe. Well, that's the point. Where's he at? They said he's in a window somewhere. One of these windows.
Is there like a
Right up
person? There
there.
must be.
Yeah, they said there's a place you can tell. Oh, there he is. All right, where are you going?
Oh, I don't know. To the lockers.
So, yeah, that's cute. That's what he does all day, man. Can you imagine that? All right, we're going to the lockers.
Okay, we're lathered up.
IC'd up.
Iced up. We got a boysenberry icy. It's pretty good.
It's good on an 85-degree day for some.
We're gonna go get on a Ghost Rider. It's this big, the wooden roller coaster.
Yeah, the story is this one really kicks your butt. It's really herky-jerky. So we're gonna do it before we eat.
Yeah. So here's the entrance. Yeah, I'll have a little bit more of that. Ghost Rider. Go in there in just a minute. There we are, though.
You were mid-scream, man.
What are your thoughts?
Oh man, that's really, really fun. A lot of drops.
Yeah.
Really loud. It's
I
crickety.
did a lot of like, what's it called when you're
Lifts
like,
or airs or whatever.
I got air for like multiple times, like for a long time. So.
Yeah, and you usually don't like those.
Yeah, it was okay.
Okay, you good? Okay.
I kind of was just telling myself I was on Big Thunder Mountain Railroad.
Yeah.
Because it seemed similar when it first started, like the sound of it, sort of.
Yeah.
But it's definitely a little bit more intense for sure.
Yeah, I mean, a lot of drops, a couple, yeah, just intense. It's a wooden roller coaster, jerks you around.
Yeah.
It's long. It's a long ride.
Yeah.
Goes out, park. Yeah, good times. I'll probably ride it again. I'm not sure about High to Mile.
Yeah, I wonder if they'd let you film. I don't know.
Yeah, I don't know. I mean, I've seen people film it. There it is. That's the very beginning of it. But yeah, great ride. Ghost Rider.
Yeah.
Knott's Berry Farm. See ya.